In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Google AI Summaries in Gmail. We will do this from Gmail on a desktop computer, since the setting we need is found in the full web settings menu. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to the correct Gmail account in your browser, because changes you make here apply only to the account you are currently using. Start by opening Gmail on your desktop. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You will see a small gear-shaped icon. This is the Settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In the panel that appears, do not stop at the quick toggles. Instead, look for the button that says See All Settings and click it. This takes you to the complete Gmail settings page, where you can control writing and assistance features in more detail. Across the top of the settings page, you will see several tabs. Select the General tab. In most cases, General is already selected by default, but it is important to confirm you are on the correct tab, because the option we need lives there. Now scroll down the page until you find the Smart Compose section. Smart Compose is the feature that offers writing suggestions as you type, and it is often connected with the kind of AI-assisted text that can feel like summaries or auto-generated suggestions. In the Smart Compose section, locate the option for writing suggestions. You will see radio buttons that let you choose whether these suggestions are on or off. Select Writing Suggestions Off. This tells Gmail to stop offering those AI-style writing prompts while you are composing emails. After you select Writing Suggestions Off, take a moment to ensure the selection is clearly marked. If you do not see the change stick right away, scroll slightly within the section and confirm the radio button is still set to off. Keeping this disabled can also reduce distractions while writing, especially if you prefer to draft messages in your own words. And that is all there is to it.